पीपल, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। दिस इज मी फुटलेस लॉली। तो फ्रेंड्स, जैसे कि आपने लास्ट वीडियो में देखा था कि हम कैंपस टूर कर रहे हैं, तो हमने रीडिंग रूम यहाँ तक कवर कर चुका था। तो आज को हम इससे आगे जाएंगे, जो कि मैंने बोला था कि बॉयज़ हॉस्टल से शुरू करेंगे, तो आज को वहाँ से शुरू कर रहे हैं। बट आज को मेरे साथ कोई और भी है, कम मिनहाज। तो दिस इज़ मिनहाज। तो टुडे ही इज़ गोइंग टू हेल्प मी विद द शूट एंड एवरीथिंग। सो फ्रेंड्स, लेट्स गो। डन। So we came from that side. That's gate number 1. So if we will move forward now, the very first thing that will come is our temple. So this is our temple, and to be very honest, it is so beautiful. कभी और दिखाएंगे because we have to shoot many more parts. So we will move forward. But to be very honest, temple is very beautiful. It's look very beautiful, and ये बहुत ज़्यादा colorful है. What will be the next one?
That building is good, right?
What is that building?
Don't know.
Don't know. Leave it. There are few buildings, extra buildings, which we also don't know. But I think next will come physical education department. Next will come physical education department. This is our physical education department. Inside, abhi wo lock hai, so we can't go inside. So we will go forward. What is next?
Rajiv Gandhi.
Rajiv Gandhi, so early. I hardly used to come in this lane, so I don't know much about this. Boys uses this lane very often. We came from there, okay? And after that, there will be a 3 lanes, as you can see, 1, 2, and 3. So if you will go straight, that will lead you to a CV Raman hostel, and after that SJ. And if you will go here, then it will lead you to a Rajiv Gandhi Stadium. As you can see, this is Rajiv Gandhi. So let's go and capture. And at the end, there's a gender gate. That's a gender gate, white gender gate, because this side is girls hostel and that side is boys hostel. So we will also capture that. We saw Rajiv Gandhi Stadium, and I'm so tired because this season, May, June, July, August, it is the hottest month, I could say, in Pondicherry. And whenever you will go, carry umbrella, water bottle, every possible things you can do because it's very hot. So now we will move to CV Raman hostel, and I told you ना, just Rajiv Gandhi कब straight जाएंगे तो वो हमारा जेंडर गेट जाता है, तो हमारा जो PO है वो सर्कुलर थोड़ा होता है. It's confusing, but this is how it is. So let's go to CV Raman hostel. And CV Raman hostel is the biggest, I could say, main hostel for boys, जहाँ पे PhD scholars सब रहते हैं. And जितना भी boys का सारा काम होता है वो वही hostel में होता है, like for paperwork and all. So let's go. CV Raman hostel, friends. So here there are 2 lanes, boys hostel and SJ. We are going UB sir. SJ कल ही cover हो चुका हमारा. This is food and science technology. It's okay, we can go. Food and science technology department. And there is one more thing, that we have a KV school inside our campus, that is run inside our campus, Kendriya Vidyalaya. I think it's still class 10, na Minhaj?
10.
Go to UB sir. To be very honest, we are inside the forest. You can see many kinds of wildlife also. So yesterday we went to their SJ with the bus, you have seen. Now we are going to this lane. We will go to Yumisar. Wow. So friends, right now we are at Yumisar. And what is Yumisar? Let me show you. The building is known as Yumisar, and the full form of Yumisar is UNESCO Manjit Singh Institution of South Asia Regional Cooperation. Why Yumisar is so famous? Because generally at evening, I could say at night, the Yumisar is so crowded and most of the people come, they sing the songs and like many other things. And we have celebrated Halloween Day, Valentine's Day and many others day at Yumisar. And generally people prefer to come to SJ during night. I will show you why. Because at nightlife at PU is the best thing. I could say like best. So now we will move forward to boys hostel. So let's go. Puzzled, I know, but ऐसा ही है हमारा campus. That is SJ part, and we are going this way. हमने गोल घूम लिया. SJ. This lane will lead you to a boys' hostel. Hostel. Hey, don't go that side. Leave it to Minhaj. Wait. This is Arvind hostel. Wait, Minhaj. This is Arvind hostel.
അപ്പോൾ ചങ്ങായിമാരെ, ഇതാണ് നമ്മളെ ഓറോവിന്ദോ ഹോസ്റ്റല്. നമ്മളതിൻ്റെ ഉള്ളിലോട്ട് പോവുകയാണ്. ഇതാണ് കേട്ടോ എൻ്റെ ഹോസ്റ്റല്. അപ്പം ഗേൾസ് ഇതിൻ്റെ ഉള്ളിലേക്ക് പ്രവേശനമില്ല, അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് ഇന്ന പണിക്ക് ഏൽപ്പിച്ചത്. കാരണം ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കില്ലേ? ആ, പേരൊക്കെ എടുക്കാനാണ് പറഞ്ഞത്. ഇവിടെ ഓറോവിന്ദോ ഹോസ്റ്റലിലുള്ള പേരൊക്കെ കാണുന്നുണ്ടോ നോക്കി. ഫസ്റ്റ് ഫ്ലോർ, ഗ്രൗണ്ട് ഫ്ലോർ ഫുള്ള് ബൈക്ക് പാർക്കിങ്ങും സൈക്കിൾ പാർക്കിങ്ങും അങ്ങനെയൊക്കെയാണ്. കുറേ സൈക്കിളുണ്ട്, കുറേ ബൈക്കുണ്ട്. 5 ഫ്ലോർ ഉണ്ട് കേട്ടോ ഓറോവിന്ദോ ഹോസ്റ്റൽ. പിന്നെ മെസ്സിൻ്റെ തൊട്ടടുത്ത് തന്നെയാണ്. UG ഫസ്റ്റ് ഇയേഴ്സ്, സെക്കൻഡ് ഇയേഴ്സ്, പിന്നെ PG സെക്കൻഡ് ഇയേഴ്സും കുറേ ആൾക്കാർ ഇവിടെ ഉണ്ട്. ഇത്രയൊക്കെയാണ് ഓറോവിന്ദോ ഹോസ്റ്റലിൻ്റെ വിശേഷങ്ങൾ. ഇതിൻ്റെ തൊട്ടപ്പുറത്ത് തന്നെ ബിർസാമുണ്ട ഹോസ്റ്റലുണ്ട്. ഇവിടെ ആ കാണുന്നത് മെസ്സാണ്. ഇതാണ് നമ്മളെ അന്നപൂർണ മെസ് അഥവാ മെഗാ മെസ്. 2 പേരുണ്ട് ഇതിന്. ഇവിടെയാണ് പകുതി ബോയ്സ് ഹോസ്റ്റലിലുള്ള ആൾക്കാർക്ക് ഫുഡ് ഇവിടെ നിന്നാണ്. നല്ലൊരു മെസ്സാണ്. ഹോസ്റ്റൽ വാൽമീകി ഹോസ്റ്റൽ. ഇതാണ് നമ്മുടെ അടുത്ത മെസ്സ്, അമുദ മെസ്. ഇവിടെയാണ് കൂടുതൽ ഏറ്റവും നല്ല ഫുഡ് ബോയ്സ് ഹോസ്റ്റലിൽ.
Go inside. Wow, they will beat me. I'm telling you. No.
This is Amoda mess.
Turn. No more stopping.
അലോട്ട് ചെയ്ത മെസ്സും അപ്പുറത്താണെങ്കിലും ശിവ ഫുള്ള് ഇവിടെ തന്നെയാണ്.
So basically there are 2 mess for boys. One Annapurna. Secondly this one.
Amodam.
For girls there is only one mess, that is Mother Teresa mess. Which one is this? Wow, it looks so good. Tagore hostel.
ഇവിടെ ബോയ്സ് ഹോസ്റ്റലിൻ്റെ പ്രത്യേകത എന്താണെന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ, ബോയ്സ് ഹോസ്റ്റലിൽ ആകെ ഒറ്റ ഹോസ്റ്റലിൽ മാത്രമേ ഗേറ്റ് ഉള്ളൂ. ബാക്കി ഒറ്റ ഹോസ്റ്റലിനും ഗേറ്റ് ഇല്ല. പക്ഷേ ഗേൾസ് ഹോസ്റ്റലിന് ഏകദേശം എല്ലാത്തിനും ഗേറ്റ് ഉണ്ട്. ഇതാണ് നമ്മളെ ജിമ്മ്. തുടക്കത്തിലൊക്കെ എല്ലാവരും വന്ന് അഡ്മിഷൻ എടുക്കും, 2 ദിവസം പോകും, പിന്നെ എല്ലാവരും അങ്ങ് നിർത്തും. അതാണ് ഈ ജിമ്മിൻ്റെ പ്രത്യേകത.
Kabirdas. Let's go.
Kabirdas hostel. ഇവിടെ ഇപ്പോൾ പണി നടക്കുന്നതിനെ കൊണ്ട് ഹോസ്റ്റൽ ആരും ഇല്ല. അപ്പോഴൊക്കെ വേറെ ഹോസ്റ്റലിലേക്ക് മാറ്റി.
Heaven, look at the color. Shiva's favorite place. Tell me what is that? The blue container thing?
Heaven.
Heaven. Shiva's heaven.
My
So let
heaven.
me tell you, Shiva, this is my brother. He is a national player. This is my another supporter.
Indoor stadium.
Indoor we will capture later on. Later on. Not today. Later on. My bhaijan used to practice football. Is it true?
Yeah.
So my both of bhaijans are like talented.
Running track.
It's looking so good.
ఇప్పుడు మనం వెళ్తున్నాం స్టేడియం దగ్గరికి. దాదాపు అన్ని స్టేడియం చూసేసాము. ఇప్పుడు వచ్చేసరికి ఇది ఒక ఫుట్బాల్ స్టేడియం అండ్ టోర్నమెంట్స్ ఆడతారు ఇక్కడ. ఇది హ్యాండ్బాల్.
This is so big.
Football.
This is the first time I'm coming here
ఇది
to
ఫుట్బాల్
this stadium. What is this?
ప్రాక్టీస్ సెషన్. ఫుట్బాల్, మినీ ఫుట్బాల్.
Oh, here they play football.
ఫుట్బాల్ మినీ గోలర్.
It's like I'm entering inside the jungle.
లైక్ జంగల్ బట్ నాట్ జంగల్.
And this is Rajiv Gandhi now. This is a shortcut they are taking me today. Like I hardly used to come here.
బర్త్డే సెలబ్రేషన్ ప్లేస్.
This is gender gate. Now we will start with our girls hostel. Birthday celebration spot. Our company started. The pro people, so they are connecting me with everything. This is our Kanagi hostel. This is the new one. Looking good. Most probably.
Yes, hostel of Pondicherry.
Yes. This is the biggest hostel. Yeah. Right I noticed. This is the biggest hostel. And this is upcoming new one. New hostel. And this is the most beautiful hostel of our girls hostel. Narmada.
Exactly like Aurobindo.
Exactly like Aurobindo. And this is Narmada. Wait. And this is what is this?
Kalpana Chawla.
Kalpana Chawla. You know more than me. Kalpana Chawla. Okay, this is our Madam Curie. Like every work for girls hostel is done here, and this is a PhD scholars for girls. And just opposite to Madam Curie, it's our mess, Mother Teresa mess. This is our Mother Teresa mess. Minhaj know more than me. This is my Yamuna hostel.
Old beauty parlor.
Okay, this is the old beauty parlor. I think it's shut down because of less customer, I think. I will tell. This is Ganga hostel. This is Swaraswati hostel, Shiva's favorite hostel. You can usually find him here somewhere. And this is our ladies' gym.
Only music, no workout.
You know, you have come. They know girls hostel more than me. This is my hostel, Kaveri hostel.
This is our hostel.
This is our hostel, yes. Wow. Let's go to women's, then we can come back. This is Kaveri hostel, and this symbol, that house type, that's a bus stop, and this is a bus stop. This is our healthcare. Now move. This is our healthcare.
Free healthcare.
Not free, we pay beforehand.
After paying it's free.
Paracetamol. And this is our last hostel, that is women's hostel. Women's and studies, something I don't know much. Women's and studies. And if we will go straight, we will go to Poland, then science block will start. So friends, we have came back to our hostel and we were so tired. That's why we decided that remaining part we will vlog in the next part. So yes, stay tuned for that. And I think science department was baki hai. So we will cover, for sure we'll cover in the next part, and that will be the last one. And yeah, that's it for today. See you on the flip side. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. And do tell me kaisa laga aapko hamara campus, and if any doubt is there, just use the comment section. So yeah, bye bye.